Hey beauties, tired of dry, dull lips? Want that soft pink naturally? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be revealing 10 insanely good DIY lip balm recipes that will transform your lips. No chemicals, no expensive products, just simple, powerful home ingredients. And trust me, you'll want to watch till the end because I have a special pro tip that will boost your lip color naturally. Let's dive in. Lip Balm 1. Want lips as soft and rosy as a flower? Take fresh rose petals, grind them, and strain the juice. Melt 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, mix in the rose extract, and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Stir well and apply daily for a naturally pink, hydrated pout. Lip Balm 2. Want a natural pink tint that lasts all day? Take a small container, add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, and mix in 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder. Place the container in warm water to melt and blend the mixture smoothly. Once mixed, freeze it for a few minutes, and voila! Your DIY tinted lip balm is ready to give you that gorgeous pink flush. Lip Balm 3. Love tinted lip balms but want a chemical-free version? Melt 1 teaspoon of shea butter, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of beeswax together. Add a tiny piece of your favorite lipstick for a beautiful tint. Mix well, pour into a small container or lip balm tube, and let it harden. Now, you have your own moisturizing tinted lip balm on the go. Lip Balm 4. Need a quick and easy tinted lip balm? Take 1 teaspoon of Vaseline and microwave it for a few seconds until melted. Add a small piece of your favorite lipstick, mix well, and pour it into a container. Let it set, and your DIY tinted lip balm is ready to give you soft, colorful lips instantly. Lip Balm 5. Want a deeply moisturizing lip balm without any color? Melt 3 teaspoons of beeswax, 2 teaspoons of shea butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil together. Once fully melted, add 10 drops of your favorite essential oil for a refreshing scent and extra nourishment. Mix well, pour into a container, let it cool, and enjoy super soft, hydrated lips all day. Lip Balm 6. Want a soft, peachy tint with extra moisture? Cut any colorless lip balm, add a little Vaseline, and mix in a small piece of peachy lipstick. Microwave for a few seconds until melted, stir well, and pour the mixture into an empty lip balm stick. Let it cool and harden. Now you have your own hydrating tinted lip balm on the go. Lip Balm 7. Want lips that shine like a dream? Melt 1 teaspoon of beeswax, 1 teaspoon of shea butter, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, and 1 teaspoon of castor oil slowly on low heat. Once melted, add 20 drops of your favorite essential oil for a refreshing scent. Stir in 1 teaspoon of edible pink glitter for that extra sparkle. Mix well, pour into a container, and let it cool. Now you have your own glossy, shimmering lip balm for a dazzling pout. Lip Balm 8. Want a lip balm that not only nourishes but also relaxes your senses? Heat 2 teaspoons of coconut oil with lavender buds for about 20 minutes to infuse the essence. Strain the oil and set it aside. In another bowl, add 1 teaspoon of shea butter, then mix in the lavender-infused oil and 1 teaspoon of soy wax. Melt everything together, stir in a few drops of lavender essential oil, pour into a container, and let it cool. Now enjoy a soothing, hydrating lip balm with a calming lavender scent. Lip Balm 9. Want a lip balm that's nourishing with a hint of color? Use the double boiler method to melt 1 teaspoon of cocoa butter, 1 teaspoon of beeswax, and 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Once melted, add 1/4 teaspoon of pink or red color. Stir well, and mix in a little preservative to keep it fresh. Finish with a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a soothing scent. Use an injection syringe to neatly pour the mixture into lip balm sticks or containers. Let it cool, and your hydrating tinted lip balm is ready. Lip Balm 10. Need a super easy tinted lip balm with zero hassle? Take a small amount of Vaseline, add it to a container, and cut a tiny piece of your favorite lipstick. Mix well, then use a hairdryer to slightly melt and blend the mixture smoothly. Let it set, and you're ready to enjoy your DIY moisturizing tinted lip balm anytime. Special bonus tip. And now, here's my secret hack for naturally pink lips: pomegranate. Just mash a few pomegranate seeds, mix them with coconut oil, and apply as a lip stain. It gives an instant rosy glow that lasts all day. That's it, lovelies. 10 amazing DIY lip balms that will give you the softest, pinkest lips ever. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, share this with your besties, and subscribe for more glow-up hacks. See you in the next video. Bye.